What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin and unpin images on Ideogram. So to pin any image that you want, you can simply go ahead and go to your creation, which is my creation on the left, and find images that you want to pin. Click the three dots on the top of the image and click unpin. Now keep in mind that you can only pin or unpin images on your creation. Once you pin them, you can find them on the pin section right here, so you can quickly access them. Now, you can also like images. So let's say if the images is yours, you can also like them. But liking an image not only limits you for your images as well, but for creators' images. And you can scroll through and find other creators' image, and you can click on the heart on the lower right and like those images as well. And so by going back to my creation, you can easily find those images under pins, and you can click the three dots on the top and you can unpin them if you need to. Or if you want to find those likes, you can find them here as well, and you can easily find those images as well. So that's pretty much it, guys.